What's up, investors? It's the Russian dude. Today, let's talk about this one particular company which outperformed every single stock within the S&P 500. And no, this company is not Nvidia, it is not Tesla, it is not Apple. This company, you probably heard about it, it's called Microstrategy. As you can see from this first graph, since the adoption of Bitcoin strategy, MicroStrategy outperformed every single, once again, S&P 500 company. Its growth is estimated to be at more than 1600%, and to the right you can see that the number of S&P 500 companies which was outperformed by this company is 100%, which means that every single company was beaten by MicroStrategy. Even the performance of the second best investment is Bitcoin itself, only yielding approximately 426%, beating 99% of the companies within the S&P 500, obviously except the MicroStrategy. The Magnificent 7, these are the biggest 7 companies, only show the growth of 243%, beating 97% of companies within the index. And well, the index itself only performed 73% upwards, beating 65% of companies within itself. Speaking about MicroStrategy itself, once again they did adopt their current Bitcoin strategy on August 10th, 2020. And so as you can see from this graph, which shows the correlation of the performance between MicroStrategy and the S&P 500 index itself, well, as you can see, it left the index completely shattered. Its performance, its ups and downs are almost invisible to the naked eye in comparison to MicroStrategy. It gets even more interesting when you scale down and look at this graph for the last couple of decades, because believe it or not, this company did exist long time ago, even though right now they're mostly famous for their Bitcoin involvement, which was obviously an unknown asset and even like a non-existent asset 2 weeks ago. So apparently, yeah, once again, as you can see, MicroStrategy did have a lot of popularity during the dot-com bubble. Then the company collapsed more than 90%. Miraculously, it did remain alive. It was not turned into like a zombie company or anything like this. It was just quietly waiting for its moment. Until once again, the Bitcoin opportunity presented itself, they adopted the strategy, and the company started to skyrocket once again. And at the moment of recording this video, the share price of MicroStrategy even beat its 2000's highest prices right before the dot-com crash bubble. And guys, this was obviously not a financial advice or anything like this. I'm not urging you to invest in MicroStrategy or anything. The sole purpose of this video was just to show you that this company, which outperformed every single other mainstream investment, once again, such as Apple's, Tesla's, Nvidia's, and so on. Also, please always keep in mind that previous performance does not guarantee future returns, so if this company was demonstrating an exceptional growth in the last several years, it does not necessarily mean that this growth will continue, and most likely it will not. However, according to the CEO of MicroStrategy, Mr. Saylor, he is saying that he wants to take his company to a $1 trillion capitalization. Well, I can only wish good luck to Michael Saylor. Every opportunity is right in front of his eyes, and I'm sure he will do a good job as a CEO. For you guys, thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on Wednesday.